Imagine paying thousands every year, thinking your family is set for life, and then when you finally need the money, boom, what you get is way less than you expected. I'm talking about life insurance, and not just any, AXA in 2025. They'll show you glossy brochures, big numbers, happy families, but there's a side to payouts you won't see in the sales pitch. Point 1. The vanishing value. Here's the first thing they don't spell out. Your early premiums? Most of it isn't even going to your coverage or savings. It's eaten up by commissions, admin fees, and other policy charges. I've seen cases where someone paid over 100,000 pesos in 4 years, and their cash value was less than half of that. Why? Because in the early years, your money's basically paying the sales agent and company costs, not building your nest egg. And here's where most people go wrong. They think canceling early means they'll get all their money back. Nope. You'll only get the surrender value, which is usually the smallest number in the entire contract. Point 2. The contestability trap. AXA has what's called a contestability period. Sounds harmless, right? But in the first 2 years, if you make a claim, they can investigate and deny it if they find anything questionable on your application. And that applies not just to life cover, but also to critical illness riders. Here's the part no one talks about. Even something as small as forgetting to mention a past health checkup can delay or kill your payout. Point 3. Guaranteed versus reality. When you buy, they'll show you an illustration of what your policy could grow to over the years. But there's the guaranteed amount, and then there's the non-guaranteed bonus. The bonus depends on investments, meaning it can be much lower than the chart in your hand. Some policyholders only find out years later that their payout is a fraction of the projection, and by then, you've already committed years of payments. Point 4. The illusion of stability. Now don't get me wrong, AXA is financially solid. Profits are up, solvency ratio is strong. But here's the catch. Their stability doesn't guarantee your payout will match your expectations. The fine print of your contract shapes your outcome way more than their balance sheet ever will. So here's the truth. AXA Life Insurance can protect you, but it's not a magic money machine. If you go in blind, you could end up with far less than you imagined. Know your surrender terms, understand the contestability rules, and don't over-rely on those shiny projections, because real life is rarely that neat. Now I want to hear from you. What's one financial surprise you wish someone had warned you about? Drop it in the comments. And hey, if you found this eye-opening, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS money guides, and turn on notifications so you don't get blindsided again.